Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a custom emoji using the new Genmoji tool on your iPhone in iOS 18.2 and later. Let's get into the method. You'll need Apple Intelligence enabled to access this feature. First, head to the Messages app and open a chat. Any chat should work, and open the keyboard by starting a message and choose the emoji icon in the bottom left corner. On here there should now be the Genmoji icon in the top right of the keyboard. Tap on this, then choose Continue and allow the tool to download. You might need to exit and re-enter this to get it to work after a while. Once ready, you can type in the idea for the Genmoji you want. As you type, you'll see the Genmoji create. You can then swipe through the options to find the exact one you like, and once you've found it, tap on Add. Be careful not to send the message now if you don't want to, so make sure you backspace to remove it, but this Genmoji will now appear in your emoji keyboard at the left side, next to where stickers are located for you to use in the future. That's how to create a custom emoji using the new Genmoji tool on your iPhone in iOS 18.2 and later. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.